I'm Todd.
I'm Dakota.
We're with Forest Solutions out of Liberty, Kentucky. For me, one of the big things was when the overspray would come off the soap, I could feel the acid burning my lungs and the chemical that we're using. And the big thing with Synergy is they use polymer technology, and I immediately noticed a huge difference in that. And I know if I'm smelling that and it's affecting me that way, then it's also affecting the customers the same way.
Then we also love the ultra concentrates, no more drums, and our mechanical rooms look a lot cleaner with Synergy.
In the car wash business, I look for family-owned businesses. Synergy's father-son-owned business, family-owned business. They're always there for you if you need you. That means more than anything. And if everything else was equal, that would be the thing that would be the deal maker for me. And I would encourage anybody to give Synergy a try.
Steven and his team, they always go above and beyond. They'll answer a call or text on the weekend, and they'll do an actual cost per car analysis, and you're not getting that with a lot of your other chemical companies.